145 1967 Mercury Monterey S-55 convertible.
Oh, am I ready? All right. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Nice convertible, gorgeous day.
Mm-hmm.
I love this color.
It's a beautiful color. It's a Trafalgar blue. Named after Trafalgar blue in England. Or Trafalgar
Learn
Square.
something every day. There's definitely something to be said about driving these big boats.
Mm-hmm.
But this one's a little bit of a sleeper, as you would say.
It looks like a luxury cruiser on the outside, boulevard cruiser, but under the hood, that 428, making 345 horsepower, 462 foot-pounds of torque.
Oh yeah, it's definitely enough to get up and boogie.
Oh yeah. I mean, this car could reverse the rotation of the Earth. And that transmission is smooth. That's the C6 Ford
I was just going to say, it's very smooth.
Yeah. And you know, when you cruise it, it just, man, it eats miles. It is so smooth, you'd never guess that it has that under the hood.
No. Like I said, a sleeper is the best definition I can think of.
Especially in this paint scheme with the Parchment interior too. It's a sharp looking 60s car. And this one's got all the luxuries. Factory air, got a power driver's seat, power antenna, power steering, power brakes.
Preloaded.
Oh yeah.
Not that we need AC right now. This is gorgeous.
This is our AC.
Yes, Florida AC. Just put the roof down. What a different experience driving in a convertible.
Mm-hmm. And the brakes in this thing are really good. Really nice and tight.
Such a comfortable ride.
Mm-hmm. It's so smooth. And you get a nice little rumble. But it's tuned dual exhaust is what Mercury called it, but it's still nice and quiet for when you're cruising.
It's subtle, and you do know it's no slouch. You can hear a little throatiness behind it.
Man, that torque.
You can feel it pull. Just such a relaxing drive in this.
Mm-hmm. And even though it is so smooth, the ride is so smooth, this is actually a tuned, performance suspension for this car that Mercury came up with. And, it's unbelievable. It takes this corner just fine.
Yeah, I was just going to say, let's hit this corner a little bit. She's hugging it.
like no body roll on this. I'm astounded. That's crazy. And I love this car. As soon as it came in, we'd had it once before.
You were very excited. Yes.
And
this is my first time seeing it.
I've been in love with this car since the first time I saw it.
Well, it's got everything going for it.
Oh yeah. It's got looks, it's sharp 60s style, plenty of power, open roof.
Plenty of room.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
I'm really a fan of these seats too.
Yeah, they're comfortable. They really are. Of course, you still got that big luxurious turning radius. It's quick. Smooth, too.
It's very linear. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not up and down on the power. It's just a very consistent pull.
Yeah.
I can't say it enough. What a whole different experience. Being able to see all around you and above you.
That just really amazes me, taking that corner and how little it rolls. I mean, it's crazy.
It's effortless as well. I mean, you can hold two fingers and just very predictable. This is a great car.
And the top does work really well. I took it down to take pictures of it the other day, and up and down like that, super smooth. Just such an all-around great car.
And the paint is just flawless. Looks like we're looking into a mirror. Well, it wouldn't be a Florida video without traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a nice surprise.
It really is. It's just such a good car. There's so much room.
I was just gonna say, plenty of room to throw your buddies in it, and
it's got it's been upgraded to 3-point harnesses in the front and 4-point harnesses in the back.
I'm just wearing it as a lower because of my sunburn.
Yeah. Such a good cruiser, man.
It's, by all definitions, that's exactly it. It's hop in, cruise down the road, just enjoy life.
Yeah. And if another muscle car pulls up to you at the light, it'll definitely put up some competition, that's for sure.
I'm sure they'll have a very surprised face. This is one of those cars that, just having the power there and knowing it's there is enough. You don't feel like you have to convince yourself every time. It's a very torquey beast. It's a big car.
It's like a Bentley or Rolls Royce.
Yes.
Luxurious, but it's got plenty of power to back that up.
And yet again, it's definitely a head turner. It is torquey, like it wants to pull you stopped. And there's plenty of brakes there. It's just, you feel it. It's just wanting to go.
Power front discs. It's not, the brakes aren't real like grabby and touchy. They're, like you said with the throttle, nice and linear.
Yes.
As well.
Again, very predictable. I feel like it translates, you know, your force press to the braking power. So, which is a good thing, especially, you know, here in Florida. Many times you have to come to a stop quick.
Yeah.
It's the nature of the beast.
You know, I know I said in last video that I loved that CUDA. Like, I fell in love with that. This was love at first sight.
Oh, I can tell. And I think, you know, whoever ends up owning this car is probably going to share the same passion.
Oh, for sure. I mean, it takes a certain person to love a car like this. But, you know, even if it isn't love at first sight, the first time you get on that throttle, you're going to fall in love.
Yep, it's definitely will be a marriage, that's for sure. I love it.
It's a beautiful, beautiful car. It rides great, drives great. And like you said, whoever has it is going to be happy. And we're back. I guess that just about wraps it up.
I'm not ready for it to end.
But remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and be sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos just like this with more awesome cars.
We have some bangers coming up, guys.
That's for sure.
Be sure to check out our website. We have our gift shop live now, too.
Yeah, visit our gift shop.
Take some of the merch home.
Mm-hmm.
You know, be part of the family. All right, guys. Until next time.